Yan, good morning Karil Hinyero tips. Yan, pag-uusapan naman natin yung spiral reinforcement. Okay, yung bilog na column. Ang ating kukumputin ay yung spiral ties niya. Okay, as you can see, may figure na tayo dito. So, ang pitch niya mga idol is 5 cm. A spiral column with a cross-sectional diameter of 50 cm requires 10 mm spiral reinforcement as shown in the following figure. Okay, ito yung figure natin. If there are 14 columns at 7 meter height, find the number of 10 mm steel bars needed for a 5 cm pitch spirals. Okay, so yun yung hahanapin natin. Okay, solution. Solving the spiral reinforcement. Step number 1. Total length of 14 columns. 7 meters times 14. So, 98 meters. Okay? Step number 2. Find the number of 10 mm bar spiral. Refer to table 3.9. Okay? I-attach ko later yung table para makita ninyo. For a 50 cm column diameter. 5 cm pitch using 6 meters steel bars. Multiply. So, yung 98 na nakuha natin doon sa step number 1, i-multiply lang natin dito. Okay, nasa table to mga idol. 98 times 4.919 is equal to 482.1. Say, 483 pieces na 10 mm by 6 meters. Okay, step number 3. If 9 meters will be used as a spiral from table 3.9, okay, bibigay ko later sa inyo to, yung table na to. Along 50 cm column diameter, 5 cm pitch under 9 meter steel bars. The entry is 3.223. Okay, nasa table to. Multiply. 98 times 3.223 is equal to 316 pieces na 10 mm by 9 meters. Okay? So, sa likod tayo mga lods. Yan. Finding the tie wire naman. Okay? Find the number of vertical bars per column. Meron tayong 12 pieces. Okay? So, step number 2. Refer to table 3.9 under 50 cm column diameter. 5 cm pitch. The number of turn per meter height is 21. Multiply. 12 times 21 is equal to 252 ties per meter height. Step number 3. Total ties for 14 columns at 7 meter height is 252 times 7 times 14 na piraso is equal to 24,696 ties. Step number 4. Total length of the wire at 0.30 long per tie, yung putol, okay, yung putol 30 cm. So 24,696 times 0.30 na putol, ang labas mga idol is 7,409 meters ang haba. Convert natin. Step number 5, convert to kilograms. Divide by 53. Yung 53 mga idol is 53 meter per kilogram kasi ng tie wire natin. So yung nakuha natin sa step number 4, yun yung numerator natin at ang denominator natin is yung 53. Okay, 7,409 divided by 53 is equal to 139.8, say 140 kilograms. Okay, so step number 6, i-convert naman natin sa rolyo, kung ilang rolyo. So, ang kinuha nating rolyo mga lods ay 25 kilograms. So, yung 140 kilograms, divide natin sa 25 kilograms per roll. So, ang nakuha natin is 5.6, say 6 rolls ng tie wire number 16. Okay, so yun yung kailangan natin. Okay, so sana meron kayong natutunan. Share nyo to para sa madaming tips na ating gagawin. Thank you and God bless po.